Hello friends, in today's video I will be sharing with you an amazing technique to manifest your desires using water. This is called the water manifestation technique. This is inspired by the gem goddess. Welcome to Magical Droplets and I am Chital Shah. So before we begin with how to manifest your desires through water, let us know the importance of water. Our body consists of over 70% water. Also, the planet consists of over 70% water. Water is an important source of life. Water holds powerful memories inside of it. Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher, in his book The Message of Water, has also shared that human vibrational energy, thoughts, feelings, and emotions can affect the molecular structure of water. Also, the fact that the molecular structure of water can be affected by our consciousness, our sound, thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Water is an important tool that can be used for manifestation. So, let's begin with the process. All you need is a bottle of water. I would suggest you all to take a glass of water. Preferably remove all the paint and the stickers that would be there in the bottle of water. Second, be clear on what you would like to manifest. If you are not sure, manifestations become difficult. As you are clear on what you would like to manifest, make a list of all the affirmations that would relate to what you would like to manifest. Remember that affirmations are positive statements that can help shape your subconscious mind. Once the list of affirmations are ready, the list can be as small as 2 points, medium as 6 points, or as long as 3 to 5 pages, whatever it is that you would like. I would suggest you all to have a medium list so that you can manifest quickly and easily. So once the list is ready, hold the bottle of water in both of your hands. Say an affirmation like I am healthy. Say the affirmation for a few times. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am healthy. Then feel the emotions of good health and well-being, what you would experience once your manifestation came true. Like if your affirmation is I am healthy, feel all the emotions of good health. Feel that all your health issues have gone away and you are in the best of health. You can run as fast as you want. Your body weight is as in control as you would like, and feel those emotions deeply. Experience the joy of manifesting it. Experience it coming true in this reality. Do this for all the affirmations and hold the vision and the feelings that you would experience. Once everything is done, take a sip from this bottle and store this water. Every day take a sip from the water. So what will happen is, this water has been charged with affirmations and your feelings and emotions on how you would experience the joy of having and manifesting things that you would like to have. So once that is done and you take a sip of water from this bottle, daily the water programs all your cells in your body to experience the joy and make your manifestations a reality. So while you sip the water, there is no need for you to again feel those emotions or anything. Just be in a happy and a calm state of mind and drink the water. You can make this bottle of water last for a week, 15 days, or up to a month. It is entirely upon you how long the water lasts. I would suggest you all to do this water manifestation technique anywhere from a new moon day to a full moon day, and do it in a calm state of mind when you have ample time to feel and experience the emotions of your manifestations in this reality. A new moon day is a wonderful time to do this water manifestation technique. This is the first method that I would suggest you with this water technique. Second method that I would suggest you all is keep a bottle of water and do these things and keep it for 15 days, and keep another bottle in which you will program the water daily for the things that you would like to create on that particular day. So imagine you have an important meeting coming up in the day, or an important event that you would like to attend in a day. So you can take a bottle of water and affirm, I am successful in my endeavor, I am efficient in my work, or whatever it is that you would like to create in that particular day. And keep on sipping water from the bottle of water and complete the whole bottle. Please avoid throwing the water from the bottle. This can be done any time of the month, any day, preferably from a new moon till a full moon day, and can be used for a good 30 days. Taking a sip from this bottle will program the cells, change the structure of cells in your body, and help it to reprogram and feel the joy of manifesting, thus making it possible for you to experience those miracles. So remember, when you do this technique or do any manifestation technique, it really works. First, you need to have faith in the technique. Second, you need to take guided actions which the universe sends you. Just sitting idle and doing nothing won't help you. And third, remember, if you don't take one step, the universe will send you another step, then another step. So you need to continuously act on the guidance that you receive so that you are able to see the results. I hope you all liked the video. Please mention in the comment section below what else you would like to see, and please try this technique and let me know your experiences. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications on the next videos that I upload, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. I take personal readings and consultations for tarot card, oracle cards and general consultations as well. So if you would like to book your reading, please WhatsApp message me. If you would like to donate to my channel, links have been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.